Supreme Court has extended the order to protect the Shivling found at disputed site, and that's the story we are breaking at this hour. Protection to continue till further orders. So this was the order from the month of May earlier this year, and the Apex Court has said that this is going to continue. The court extending its earlier order protecting the Shivling stated to be found, order to continue until further orders. So no time limit has been given, Anisha, but the order is going to be in effect up until we don't know when, but until further orders at least, isn't it?
Well, yes, Neha, the Supreme Court has very clearly noted that these matters are pending before the District Judge Varanasi, and therefore has now said that the 17th May orders, where the Supreme Court had directed that the artifacts in the Shivling that have been found in the survey need to be protected, that order has been extended till further orders. It has also been said that the district judge, the district administration will ensure that this entire area remains peaceful. Remember, 17th May order of the Supreme Court had said that not only will the district administration have to protect this particular Shivling and the artifacts, it will also have to ensure, I beg your pardon, that the entire area remains peaceful, that the namaz, etc. also is conducted in a peaceful manner without disruption.
Anisha, catch your breath. We'll just come back to you in a few moments from now. Anisha Mathur getting asked that report, telling us about the manner in which the court has said today that the protection as far as the Shivling is concerned is going to continue until further orders. So we don't know the timeline. Previously, the court had given the timeline of 8 weeks or so, and that order in fact was set to expire tomorrow, and that's the reason why in this entire case the lawyer had approached the Supreme Court saying that the order is expiring as far as the protection of the Shivling is concerned, the securing of the Shivling area is concerned, and hear this matter, tell us what to do next. In the month of May, the Apex Court had ordered the securing of the Shivling area. That order is going to continue until further orders. The Muslims were also allowed to offer namaz in the mosque. So status quo essentially, Nalini, as far as this entire issue is concerned. Muslims will be able to offer namaz, and the area is going to be continued to secure as it was being done from May onwards early this year, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, Sneha. If you remember, the entire crux of the matter in the Gyanvapi Mosque case was as to whether or not this particular structure that has been found inside the premises is a Shivling or not. And to ensure that that is decided in its entirety, the Supreme Court back in May had ordered for this area to be protected, and they had directed that this area should be protected till the 12th of November, which is tomorrow, which is the day when these orders expire. So what the Hindu parties had done is that they had filed an intervention application before the Supreme Court, asking for these orders to be extended further because the matter is still going on before the Varanasi District Court. There was another plea made by the Hindu parties that all of the pending matters in this issue should be consolidated together and sent to the Varanasi District Court. But that second plea has not been allowed. The Supreme Court has said that they can go back to the District Court, but at the same time they have extended their earlier orders that had directed for this entire area to be protected. So there can be nobody who can visit this area right now. It will continue to be sealed and it will continue to be under protection till the time this entire matter is still pending before the courts, and till the time the District Court has not decided finality exactly as to whether or not this disputed structure is in fact a Shivling or not, as has been claimed by the Hindu parties.
Live. Anisha, what more can you tell us as far as the court's order is concerned? What were the other observations that were made? If you could just sort of reiterate that for us.
Yeah, the Supreme Court has made a very short hearing that was held today. The issues before the court, as we've been discussing, were twofold. One, whether to consolidate all the various petitions that have been filed in this case in the district court at Varanasi, at the district judge level and the magistrate level. And two, of course, was the application regarding the protection to the artifacts and the Shivling that have been found. Now, the Supreme Court, while hearing this matter, has said very clearly that as far as the question of consolidating the matter is concerned, the district judge Varanasi can look into this matter, that there is no need for the Supreme Court. And I'm quoting here, why should we interfere in this particular issue? As far as the second As far as the second matter point is concerned with regard to the protection of the area, the maintenance of peace and law and order, there the court has very clearly said that the orders passed on the 17th of May